New Lenox, Homer Glen, Mokina, Frankfurt, Channahon, Minooka, Braidwood, Wilmington, Crest Hill, and Shorewood. This includes University of St. Francis, Channahon State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, and Lewis University. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 269. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 149. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 7, near mile marker 11, and between mile markers 13 and 14. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, western Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Dwight, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Manteno, Teotelle, Kircher, Limestone, Lakewood Shores, Essex, Bondfield, Buckingham, Gabbery, and Union Hills. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 314 and 330. This includes Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University, and Will County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for southeastern DuPage County. At 7:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lisle, or